Hi, Daryl here with Hawk Security. I have a client who wants to have buttons on his LiftMaster. So his LiftMaster and most automation systems no longer allow you to really put it into an automation to put a button on there and control it. So with this, I'm going to show you how to take an existing LiftMaster controller, the remote controller, and put buttons on it so you can put it at your garage. So here I'm putting on 3, and this LiftMaster has 3 different ones, and I'm going to show you real quick how to check it so you know which ones to solder. We're going to solder these buttons are going to solder onto this PC board here. So the PC board has 3 different buttons on it, the tactile switches, which are very simple. And if you can see here, I have an open circuit, touch it together, that's my closed circuit. That means I'm making contact. So each of these have a 1 on them. If you look real close on the PC board, the 1, I put it across this terminal. I mean, you could see some resistance going across it, but I hit this button, the tactile switch, it goes to 0. That's activating the remote controller. Let go, it goes back to an open circuit, and I have 2 different ones that I can activate. That's still an open circuit. You can see the M right here. So right there goes to a close. You can see the 4th one is a closed circuit all the time. So really what you want to do is take this PC board from this LiftMaster, and you can see where the little 1 is. I'm going to solder on where the 1 and this other where it was activating. That, and now I have the buttons that I'm going to solder onto, and just simple wires that are going on. There you go.